Here we got a DVI to VGA adapter, and here how it looks. I use this because my graphic card GPU has a DVI port and my monitor has a VGA, so I connect this side to the PC from behind at the GPU, and then here a VGA cable to the monitor. And you know, the DVI and the VGA connector are used to transmit video from a source, like PC to monitor. The main difference between a DVI and VGA is the way the video signals travels. VGA, as you can see here, connectors and cables carry analog signals. On the other side, the DVI carry digital. So the DVI offers better and sharper display compared to the previous, the VGA connectors or the VGA cable. So higher quality you can have from the DVI, and of course not from the VGA. The difference between the both you can especially noticeable at higher resolutions on the DVI. So of course the best is the HDMI, but between the DVI and the VGA, as you can understand, you have to prefer the VGA.